in the winter, they're quite a bit further north off the continent of Antarctica. They're spending most of their time at sea. They sleep on the ocean easily. But on land, they just like take micro naps. But they're mostly awake the whole time. It hasn't really been studied very well in these birds, but it's almost certainly something similar. Like they sleep very short amounts and total through the day, not very much at all. They do indeed. And the way their feet are shaped, right? So the claws are in the front.
Yes, hang on.
And so they can have purchase like that. They work this way. And their feet are set so far back on their bodies that if they're on a downslope facing forward, they can do sort of a side saddle, right? But yeah, ducks kind of similar, right? They have their feet a little bit further forward in their body. They're for flying, they're like way far back. No.
Is there a hierarchy for where they get to be on the boat?
Kind of, yeah. So it's about sort of like when you show up and what space you can muscle in. The juveniles will generally be on the outsides. And it's just because they're less experienced, they don't know that it's really kind of important to be in the middle and have a good spot. They're like, oh,